Have you ever noticed how some poems seem to gallop or bound along with a light, energetic rhythm, almost like a playful chase? Anapestic meter, often called the anapest, creates precisely this kind of sound in verse. It generates a rising, quick, and frequently lighthearted or energetic rhythm. Essentially, it produces a distinct dum-dum pattern of syllables, providing a sense of forward momentum and often a humorous or swift feel to the lines. This unique sound comes from its specific structure, two unstressed syllables followed by one stressed syllable. Imagine the word comprehend. You hear the quick, light sounds of compris leading into the strong, emphasized hend. When this three-syllable unit, called a foot, is repeated throughout a line of poetry, it builds a consistent rhythm that drives the verse forward. Unlike the more common iambic meter, which has a rising but more deliberate dum rhythm, anapestic meter's double unstressed beginning gives it a quicker, often more rollicking quality, perfect for narratives that move rapidly or for verses that aim for a whimsical tone. To identify anapestic meter, you can practice listening for the natural emphasis within words and lines. Try tapping out the rhythm of a line as you read it aloud, identifying where your voice naturally stresses a syllable. Then, count the preceding unstressed syllables. If you consistently find pairs of unstressed syllables followed by a stressed one, you are likely reading anapestic verse. For instance, in a line like, "'Twas the night before Christmas and all through the house," you can hear those distinct dum patterns. Beyond just listening, understanding anapestic meter offers a key insight into a poet's craft. When a poet chooses anapestic rhythm, they are often deliberately evoking a feeling of speed, lightness, or even a comedic element. This meter is famously used in limericks, which relying on its quick pace for their characteristic humor, and also in narrative poems where a swift, engaging pace is desired, such as in some of Lord Byron's works or even Dr. Seuss's imaginative tales. Recognizing this intentional choice helps you appreciate the subtle ways sound contributes to a poem's overall meaning and effect. Ultimately, anapestic meter gives verse a vibrant, accelerating sound, like a steady, joyful beat. Its characteristic dum rhythm pushes the poem forward, making lines feel energetic and engaging. By understanding this distinctive pattern, you unlock a deeper appreciation for how poets carefully construct their work to create specific feelings and communicate their ideas with memorable musicality.